Hi, Ivan here from brainybits.com. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor to an Arduino. What we have here, we have an Uno, but you could use a mini, a micro, whatever you have on hand. So let's make the connections. I'm going to use a breadboard so you can see the connections a little bit better. So I'm going to put my sensor right here, as so. And we're going to start by making the ground connection from our Arduino to the negative pin of the sensor right there. And then I'll do my signal pin to analog 0 or A0 on the Uno to the center pin of the sensor like that. And last, it's going to be the voltage, so 5 volt to the plus pin on the sensor like that. And that's it. That's all the connections we need to make. So we're going to go to the computer screen, look at the code, and then we'll upload the code to our Uno and start receiving data from our little sensor here that we can monitor in the serial monitor. So we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. This is the old code right here to get the information from our DHT11. As you can see here at the top, we have an include library, and you need to download that. If you're on YouTube, find the link below, and if you're on a website, you should see the link. So basically we put that library in our where we install our Arduino in the libraries folder. So Arduino libraries, and it's a folder, so DHT, and inside you'll find 2 files which has the information to actually access our little humidity and temperature sensor. So after that, we're going to go ahead and define an analog pin. We connect it to A0, so we're going to say A0 here. But you could change that to any pin you connected the middle sensor pin to. So that doesn't, you can change that to whatever you want as long as it's an analog pin. And here we have the setup to basically output and prepare for the serial monitor. So we're going to say serial begin 9600. So that's our speed. We're going to give it a delay of 500, so 500 milliseconds to let the system boot up. And then we're going to put we're going to print a title to our serial monitor, DHT1 humidity and temperature sensor. So that will be the title that will appear when we open our serial monitor. Then another delay, just wait another like a second just before accessing the sensor. And we'll end setup here. Now this is the main part of the program right here from void loop. And it's very simple since we're using a library. Everything all the program is basically in the library, so we don't have to put it in here. So it's a lot easier. So we're gonna read the we're gonna say DHT read DLL. It's a pin, so that's our A0 up there. Then we're gonna do a serial print current humidity, which is a title, equals to serial print DHT humidity. So that information is going to be from the sensor itself. And we put a percentage sign after that because it's a percentage humidity. And then serial print the temperature equals to DHT temperature, and Celsius. Now you could always change the Celsius to Fahrenheit by doing the calculation to actually convert from Celsius. So you change it for an F here and you put times or divided by something. The delay after we did all this, so we put a delay of 5 seconds. So we wait 5 seconds before accessing the sensor again. Because the sensor, I think the fastest you should accessing is every 2 seconds. So there you go. That's all you need to do to integrate one of these little sensors into your future projects. So once again, thanks for watching. My name is Ivan, and I hope this helps someone. And I'll see you next time.